Hello everyone, welcome to Wi-Fi Learn. In this video, we can see some previous year GATE questions regarding node voltages. I have done some videos regarding node voltages. I'll put link in the description box below or on the iCard. Please check out that link also. Let's move on to the problem. This is a problem which is asked in GATE 2010 of 2 marks. If 12 ohms resistor draws a current of 1 ampere as shown in the figure, find the value of the resistors R. See, this is a 12 ohms resistor. As given in the problem, this 12 ohm is drawing a current of 1 ampere. Due to that, they have asked the value of the current R in the circuit. It is very easy and they have asked for 2 marks. So, this is a node VA represented. In this node VA, apply KCL. Here, in node VA, apply KCL. According to KCL, sum of the incoming current is equal to sum of the outgoing current. Incoming current is 2 ampere, the outgoing current is 1 ampere here, and this is I represented, which is equal to 0. Here this I is a current flowing through the resistor. So I can be given by VA, this voltage. You are assuming this voltage is in higher potential. So VA minus 6 divided by R, right? I is equal to VA minus 6 divided by R. From this equation, I can be given by, so the incoming current is 2, right? So it is minus 2. I is equal to 1 ampere. I is equal to 1 ampere. So if you substitute here, I is equal to 1, VA minus 6 by R. So the equation would be VA minus 6 is equal to R. You need the value of VA, this node voltages. This node voltages can be found very easily by applying Ohm's law, or this node voltage is the difference between those two ends. Here it is reference, so grounded, here it is 0. So voltage at this node would be V is equal to I into R, 1 ampere into 12 ohms. So VA would be given by 12 into 1 ampere. So VA is equal to 12 volt. Now substitute the value of VA here. You will get the value of resistance. R is equal to 12 minus 6. So R is equal to 6 ohm. The value of R in the circuit here is 6 ohm. Such a simple problem asked in the GATE of 2 marks in 2010. Let's move on to the next problem. See the second problem. In the circuit shown below, the voltage and current sources are ideal. Here the given voltage source and current source are ideal, and we have to find the voltage across a current source. What would be the voltage across a current source? For that, we have to find the voltage across this node. It is a voltage across the current source. Assume this as V out. Assume this it has been grounded. Negative terminal almost always considered as grounded. Now in this node, apply KCL at V out node. Apply KCL, Kirchhoff current law. Kirchhoff current law states that sum of the incoming current is equal to sum of the outgoing current. Here you assume this V out is in higher potential, your current will leave here. But already here they have mentioned 5 ampere current is incoming. So the sum of the incoming current is equal to 5 ampere is equal to sum of the outgoing current. Outgoing current can be given by difference in potential divided by the resistance. So V out minus 10 divided by 2. V out minus 10 divided by 2. So V out minus 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5 ampere. So V out minus 10 is equal to 10. Your V out is equal to 20 voltage. V out is a node here. So the output voltage across the current source, the voltage across the current source is 20 volt. Using a node voltage method and also KCL, the voltage across the current source is found as 20 volt, and this is asked in GATE 2016 of 1 mark. Such a very easy problem. I hope you understood the concept of these problems. If you like the video, you all know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to Wi-Fi Learn. Thanks for watching.